For today's video, this is the reference photo that I have. And as you can see, when we break this down, a lot of the nails, it's just an easy ombre with one color. There's crystals, and there are these really cool like lotus flower designs. Let's break everything down and let's go from start to finish. These two, I'm gonna start out doing an ombre. For the ombre, I'm gonna use the color Viridian from the One Air airbrush paint. So let's start off doing our ombre on the middle two nails. Now that the ombres are done, I'm going to go in with my shiny top coat. All of the gels that I'm using today are from IKON.IQ. So let's put the shiny top coat on both of these, and then we'll be right back for the nail art portion. I'm going to use the stamping plate. I'm going to use this stamping plate from Clear Jelly Stamper, and it is number CJS 226. And the name is called Mystic Amazing. Decided to do 4 different colors for the stamping. These are the numbers that I'm using. Flowers will be these 3 colors plus this for the outline. Just taking my scraper and just picking up all of that extra stuff that I don't want in the nail. I'm going to turn this over, make sure this is lined up in the center how I want it, place it down, and then we pick it up, place the polish down, have your stamper in hand, scrape, pick up. Then we're gonna line everything up. Place that down, hold for 3 seconds, and pick that up. We're gonna line this up and place that down. And here we go for image number 1. Take your scraper and just take off the excess so you don't have to clean it on the nail. I'm going to line this up. Just pop that down right there. Pick it up. Here are both images stamped out, and I will say, compared to the reference photos so far, I like my version better. Let me know in the comments. So far, are you liking my version or the AI image? So after we're done with the stamping, what's left is to add all of our bling and our crystals. So to adhere all the crystals from Ugly Duckling, I'm going to use their Schtik. I also like to use a liner brush. This is what I'm using. And this is my crystal tool that I'm using. This is from EnVogue. I'm going to go into the Schtik. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of this Schtik right here. And just as an FYI, I haven't put a top coat on here yet. So which means I have one good chance to get this so it doesn't spill. Pick up my crystal. Put this right underneath like this. I'm gonna pick up the tiny one. There we go. That right underneath. I'm going to take my flash cure lamp and just hold it in place for a couple seconds so that way the light hits going more on this side instead of on top, because you really want to make sure that gel gets cured underneath the crystals. Now I'm going to pop this in the lamp for a full cure. We're going to pop this down. So remember, when you're putting a top coat on, you don't want to go over the crystals, but you want to put that top coat right up against it like this. Just kind of smush it in right next to it. Now we're going to go back in with my brush. Okay, that's better. And I'm going to do, I'm not going to use a lot of these. I'm just going to have it as like a triangle. Like this. It'll look like a triangle at the top and at the bottom. Something like this. And I need to switch around this. This one, pull it up. Pull this one out. A bigger one. Okay. There you go. So now I'm going to put this in the lamp for a full cure. And this is the final results. Let me know in the comment section down below, which one do you like better, the AI image or my recreation? Also, don't forget, I have 3 other AI recreation videos, and all of this is going to be in one playlist. Also, don't forget, everything I use will be listed in the description box below. If anyone has any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to everyone later. Bye.